The Secret of Happiness. Welcome to New Story in English. Today I will tell you a very beautiful short story. The name of the story is The Secret of Happiness. Let's start reading this beautiful story. Everyone agrees this is the most beautiful garden. Only one person knows how long this garden has been here. He tells anyone who wants to hear the story. We believe him because he is the oldest man in our village. The story never gets old though. It is one of the best and most fascinating stories I've ever heard. I guess you are curious and you want to know what it is about. Once upon a time there was a very rich family in the same village. They were not the wealthiest people in the country, but they had a lot of land and cattle. Their food baskets were the fullest and their clothes were made from the most colorful and expensive fabrics anyone could get. However, they were not happy. In fact, they were the unhappiest family in the village and no one could understand. Isn't their property enough to make them cheerful? They walked about with slumped shoulders and sad eyes. No laughter came out of their mouths, and no joy could be seen in their home. Their conversations were dull and full of melancholy. One day, the head of the family decided to do something about their problem. He called his younger brother. "My dear brother Masozi, listen to me. I think I've found the solution to our troubles." "Do not tell me that, Mavudo. Our problems are the worst in the whole world and we will never be able to solve them. This will work. Believe me. I hope this will not turn out to be the craziest scheme you have ever come up with. Don't worry. Just wait and see. You will be the most surprised person in the entire universe." The following day, Mavudo chose a piece of land not far from their house. It was dry and full of weeds. No one wanted to use it because it was difficult to tame. "I will turn this into the most beautiful garden anyone has ever seen." Like a madman, he started digging and digging, removing stones and rubbish so as to prepare the ground for planting. He watered the ground every single day until it became soft and luscious. Soon, it was time to plant flowers, trees, and vegetables. His mood got better as time passed. He laughed more and his happiness was contagious. Later on, his wife and children joined and helped him to take care of the garden. What a sight! The complaints and fights had disappeared. What remained was the loveliest family in the whole village. The children shrieked with unfettered joy, and the adults no longer shouted at one another for no reason at all. It was the most beautiful thing to see. A lot of time has passed since then. The old man says that the garden has been tended by at least 3 generations. Today, the family is not as affluent as it used to be. Rumor has it that they say that the garden is their most valuable possession. They take care of it as if it was an egg that could break at any moment. The most beautiful garden in the village is the key to their happiness. The end. Hope you have enjoyed the reading. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And find more fascinating and exciting stories from the description below the video.